Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 34 of the Photoshop tutorial series. So inside of Photoshop layers, inside the layer panel itself, you can see that there is something called the folder, and we used that in the previous lesson as well. So usually when you start having a lot of layers like these, for example, you have a lot of layers like these, and what you want to do is, let me just select shape over here because I haven't been using that. Let me just press Ctrl A and let me just unlock the layer just like that. Alright, and then fill it up with the color that I want. Okay, so let me just go to new layer, and over here press Ctrl D to deselect. And if I have a lot of layers like these, it becomes very hard to manage. So what we usually do in that case is we actually use the folder over here. So I can create as many folders as I want. So let's say I'm gonna say that this is group 1, and another one I want to say is group 2. So let me just create another shape and group 2. So I can actually drag all of the layers according to the group that I want into these folders just like this, and I can decrease the size of the folder. I can also create another group and keep the folder inside the folder as well to create subfolders just like this. So I can have one subfolder over here, and then multiple subfolder and one main folder. So now what happens is that I have these arranged in a group. So if I were to enable and disable the layer, I can enable a chunk of layers and disable the chunk of layers at the same time. I can even do that with the individual groups of layers. And the good thing about this is the layer is still there. So if I want to manage some of the layers, then I can simply change the layer sizes. And if I want to right click this and merge group, then it actually merges into a single layer and it rasterizes the whole group. So that is also easy if you want to just select a part of the group, select the part of the folder, and then rasterize that out. But again, if you rasterize, further editing becomes a lot more limited and details are actually lost. So hopefully that you learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.